everybody, welcome back. This is Kim, and I have for you another step-by-step lesson, which is not really a lesson. I'm just going to show you 7 awesome websites that I love, and these are websites that I think you'll find useful and fun and easy to use, and yeah. Anyways, before I forget, please subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers really bad. And if you find this entertaining or useful, please also like the video. I would appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dig in here. I've got these already set up. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this one is called Pexels. It's a website that gives you free stock photos and videos, which are you can use for anything you want. They're free. You can get a license to use them commercially, but yeah, there's some great pictures on here, and this front page changes a lot. So if you're looking for something particular, you can search for it, or you can just scroll and see if there's something that interests you. Like this one's kind of cool. This person on the beach. Tells you how many people have viewed it, where it is. It was in Brazil. It's free to use. And then you can click on the info, and it'll give you more information. So this is the person that took the picture. You can follow them and see the other pictures that they've shared. You can like them. It gives you more information here, when it was uploaded, the size of the file, the resolution, software that was used, to edit it or whatever, the aspect ratio, the colors in the picture. And here it says free to use, no attribution required. So it's a really neat site, especially if you are looking for something in particular. So here, let's close it out. Let's say I was really looking for a black cat. I don't know. So you just type it in, and you're going to see all these black cat images. You find one you really like this one, let's just say. So here you can download it for free. You can like it, follow this person, donate to that person. Here we have it free to use again, 293,000 views. So anyways, it gives you the information again, and it's free to use, no attribution required. So it's a great site. So yeah, that's called Pexels. Now the next one is kind of related to images. Have you ever tried to remove the background from a picture? Let's say you have a great picture of people, but in the background you have all this random stuff that you don't want. This is really cool. So basically all you do is upload your image. So click to upload image. And these are some that I just downloaded. So like here's a tree. And there we go. It takes all the background out, and all you have is the tree. You still have the grass and stuff, but it took like the sky out. Here's another one I did, was this balloon. So you can download them at this point. You can rate them. You can edit it. So it's very easy. So just upload another one. Here, let's do this giraffe. And automatically gets rid of all the background. So that's a really cool site. It's free. There are prices. So like here's pricing. You can get credits, and that lets you get the higher resolution. You can download the higher resolution. But the free, you get 50 free previews per month. You get the app for Windows, Mac, and Linux, Photoshop. So anyways, you could do free, you can get a subscription, or you could pay as you go. I just use the free, and I think it's great. Okay, here's some more free images and royalty-free stock. So in case you're not familiar, when you download things on the web, a lot of times they are not royalty-free, and they are created by someone someone takes that picture or creates that image, and they own it. And if you just copy and paste and put it in, your own document or whatever, it's kind of like stealing it. unless it's royalty free. If it's royalty free, then you're allowed to use it. A lot of them will have licensing that say you can't use it if you're going to resell something. So like if you were going to make a calendar or something of birds and you took this picture right here, like I have no idea if this one even has that kind of license, but so here it says free for commercial use, so you can do it if you want to, but a lot of times you can't. A lot of times they'll want you to either give them credit for the picture or buy a license to use it in your own personal things that you're going to be selling. But if you're just going to, you want to print some stuff out to put up on your wall at home, whatever, go ahead. But anyways, these are royalty free on this website. So you could search for something specific. Let's search again for a black cat. Let's just see what we find. So here's a bunch of black cats. Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, let's say we wanted this one. Here it says free for commercial use, no attribution required. And it gives you some others like it. It gives you more information, just like the other site did. How many times it's been downloaded, how many times it's been viewed, when it was created, when it was published, etc. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to move this one over and do this one next. So, clean PNG. This gives you transparent graphics, which you can find these on Google Images. You can find them all over the place. But this is one place where it allows you to find them easily. I guess that's the easiest way to do it. So here's the most popular things right here. Like here's a tree. Let's just click on tree. It's taking so long. Okay, sure we'll allow cookies. It's a slow website here. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's exit. Oops. Let's go back in. I'm not sure what happened. Crashed there. Okay. Maybe didn't like tree. Now let's pick something. Let's pick a building. I don't know. So now we can scroll down and find the building we want. So there we go. So if you wanted this, you just click on it. There's ads. I'm sure that's how they pay for all this, with all these ads, but that's okay. As long as you don't click on the ads, you'll be fine. So this lets you have a free download. Here's the size and a preview. You can send this person a message if you wanted. It's a free download. And these are just like tags about the picture. So if somebody was looking for a clock tower, this would come up in the search. Anyways, so that's a great site too. Now moving away from the images, this is a site I found yesterday and I love it. So it basically tells you how long it would take you to binge watch all the episodes of your favorite show. So like if you wanted to watch Friends. Here we go. 10 seasons. And this is going to tell you how long so it would take 4 days, 2 hours, and 20 minutes to watch all the episodes of Friends. Why can't I? Let's say Jeopardy. I can't even think of any shows. Jeopardy. Okay. So 37 seasons of Jeopardy. How long will that take? Oh my goodness, 148 days, 6 hours, and 20 minutes. Rest in peace, Alex Trebek. You were a great host. Anyways, so that's fun. You can type in all sorts of shows. It has newer ones, older ones. It's fun. Now, continuing on to the watching TV kind of thing here. This is lets you discover movies and TV shows on all the different streaming services. So you could see if you have a subscription to the one that's showing the show that you're looking for. I don't know if that makes any sense. Let's use Friends, for example. So we wanted to find Friends. So here's Friends, the show. Okay, it'll tell you about it. I'll show you where you can see it, HBO Max or Fubo or any of these. You can stream HBO Max, DirecTV, TBS, Sling. You can buy it from these locations. So anyways, it lets you figure out where that show you want to watch is, which streaming service has it for free and which ones you have to pay for. Let's just look for something else. Let's look for House. That was a show I used to love. I haven't seen it in a long time, but here we go. It's on Prime Video, Peacock, DirecTV, USA, NBC. You can buy it on Apple TV, Amazon, Google Play, Fandango, Vudu, etc. So anyways, it's a really fun site, useful. I look for things all the time that I really like to watch, and I don't know which streaming service it's on, so this helps you find it. Okay, and the seventh site that I want to show you is called Broadcastify. You can listen to police, EMS, fire, etc. You pick a place, basically, and here, let's just listen. So here we're going to pick a location. I'm in California. Let's say Los Angeles area. And here you'll have the live feed right here. And then down here is where you can actually listen to it. This is kind of like the Twitter feed, I guess. And then you just pick which one you want. California Fire, whatever. So then you just, it's not active. So here we go. CalNet repeater system is a multi-link amateur radio repeater system covering most of California, parts of Nevada. This is a Renegade repeater. Here's Oxnard Police, Pleasant Valley, Santa Paula Police. So you can just click on this little play and you'll get to play it. And you can listen to the police scanner. Ventura Police. Anyways, it's really cool. Here's some Rangers, Canal Park Rangers and CHP. So anyways, so if it says it's online, you can listen. You just press a little play. I'm not going to do it, but so that's called Broadcastify. You can click anywhere on this map. Let's go up to this area. It'll kind of tell you what's going on. This is the incident page here. So it tells you there's a traffic advisory, rollover traffic collision in the ditch on that street, Route 343. And here's some radio, not necessarily just radio, but different streams you can listen to. Here's County Fire. So you just click the little play button. Anyways, that's it. I hope you found those useful and fun and something that you'd want to explore. And I'll see you next time.